Chapter 3. Earth and its resources. Students could learn about the natural resources found on Earth, how they are formed, and how they are used. Natural resources are materials or substances that occur naturally on Earth and can be used for economic gain. There are many types of natural resources, including fossil fuels. These are formed from the remains of ancient plants and animals, and include coal, oil, and natural gas. Minerals. These are naturally occurring substances found in rocks and soil, such as gold, silver, copper, and iron. Timber. This includes wood from trees that can be used for construction, furniture, and paper. Water. This is a renewable resource that is essential for life and is used for drinking, irrigation, and power generation. Soil. This is the natural material on which plants grow and is used for agriculture. Air. This is a natural resource that provides oxygen for breathing and is essential for life. Formation of natural resources. Natural resources are formed over millions of years through geological and biological processes. For example, fossil fuels are formed from the remains of ancient plants and animals that were buried under sediment and subjected to high pressure and temperature over millions of years. Minerals are formed through geological processes that involve the cooling and solidification of molten rock or the precipitation of minerals from groundwater. Use of natural resources. Natural resources are used in a variety of ways to support human activities and the economy. Fossil fuels are used for energy generation, transportation, and manufacturing. Minerals are used for construction, electronics, and other industrial processes. Timber is used for construction, furniture, and paper products. Water is used for drinking, irrigation, and power generation. Soil is used for agriculture and horticulture. However, the extraction and use of natural resources can also have negative environmental and social impacts. Overexploitation of resources can lead to depletion and degradation of ecosystems and biodiversity, as well as pollution and climate change. Therefore, sustainable use and conservation of natural resources is important to ensure their availability for future generations.